So you're thinking to yourself, you've got your new license, but you're on restricted license. What's the easiest bike to restrict? Here we have it, the MT-07. This one's a 2024, and I'm going to show you how simple these are to restrict. So the restriction is just on the end of the throttle body where the pulley is. Now, if you look in there, that there is your restrictor plate. It stops the throttle. Let me see if I can do the action from going any further than where it hits that tang. That is how easy it is. You don't even have to take any panels off. Literally, you just about get through it just through the side. That is one of the easiest bikes to restrict. If you think otherwise, let me know. So make sure you check out the rest of my videos, our videos. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.